military service within the United States Department of the Navy, charged with the seizure and defense of advanced bases and with conducting operations on land and in the air alongside naval campaigns. It is also responsible for providing expeditionary detachments aboard naval vessels and as security forces for naval shore installations and U.S. diplomatic missions in foreign countries.
Oh yeah, hot, huh?
The Marine Corps was founded on November 10, 1775, when the Continental Congress ordered that 2 battalions of Marines be raised for service as landing forces within the naval fleet. Since then, Marines have served in every major U.S. naval action and have executed more than 300 landings on